Yo, what is going on, you guys? It is your man, 2 Down Dan, back with another video, and I am so excited about this video because this is the first time, even for myself, that I am seeing my brand new MPM motorcycle mat. Okay, so this is honestly perfect for if you have a garage or something like that, because then you can keep it out 24/7. Pretty much what it does is it allows you to fully customize a mat underneath your motorcycle for whatever model, whatever brand you have. They'll even let you put your name on it, logos, pretty much anything you can think of. They will let you customize, throw on one of these mats, and they will send it right over to you. They have 3 different sizes to choose from, and the one that I was able to get, see if I can just rip it open right here. Oh, I'm gonna need some scissors. But like I said, guys, this is my first time seeing this, and it is the 86 by 39 inch mat, and they have 3 different sizes, so this is the smallest of the 3. And Drizzo, I know you're listening, brother. They have 3-wheel sized mats. The third option is honestly specifically made for 3-wheel motorcycles. So if you have a dirt bike, a motorcycle, literally anything that you want to put a nice mat underneath, make sure no oil or chain lube, chain grease, anything like that is going to get onto your garage, this is perfect. But for someone like me who doesn't have a garage and I keep my bike outside, this is just going to be awesome to keep and bring out every time I'm going to do my maintenance. And I don't know if I mentioned this at the beginning, but kind of the purpose of today's video is not only showing you this mat, but going off of the maintenance video that I made a few days ago, talking about how often you need to clean your chain, how often you need to lube it, because I was going to the dealership to get mine done. And a lot of you mentioned, yeah, you're going to save time, you're going to save money if you just learn how to do it in the long run and just get the tools that you need, which is totally valid, 100%. But there's just something for me right now that's kind of enjoyable about going back to the dealership where I bought this bike, because like I said, I just feel like I owe them so much. But now when I do my maintenance, just cleaning wise and doing the chain and everything, I'm not going to have to deal with bringing out cardboard and putting that under my knees and stuff, because to be honest, the cement is just not it. But yo, okay, no more waiting. I've said enough garbage for now. I'll get to everything else I want to talk about later, which is going to be all the products I use for maintaining the Ninja 500, and just doing a full, complete round off on what it's like owning and maintaining a Ninja 500, because I got some information last time I was at the dealership that I recorded after I posted the YouTube video, and I'm going to share that with you today. But right now, let's take a look at this for the first time. Oh, I opened up the wrong way. Hold on, I want to show you this way. Yo, let's go. This is crazy, dude. No way, dude. This is insane. Oh my god, bro. This is literally my first time seeing it. And sick. This is the, I heard they come with these. There should be 2. Maybe it only comes with 1. But hold on, let me just take this in for a second, guys, because this is my first time seeing this, feeling the quality. This is a polyester top, and the mat has 4 different layers. I actually forget, real quick, hold on, stick with me, because I'm sure the mat says it honestly on the inside. Oh my god, guys, yeah, oh yeah, this is so sick. Dude, you guys, you're gonna get hooked up when you buy one of these. So they're gonna give you 2 little like almost coaster looking things, but that's for underneath your kickstand to even protect the mat further. Also gonna get a sweet little sticker that's going on the bike somewhere, 100%. And they give you a nice little brochure right here that shows you everything you need to know about the mat, stuff like that. And you guys can get into the details about how this is made and everything like that, but pretty much my point with it is that it looks amazing and is going to add so much style out here every time that I'm doing work on my bike. I could even use this inside on a table as like an area to do like gear reviews and stuff like that, because it's just such a nice clean look. And as you can see right down here, I'm going to take you off actually for a second, guys, kind of move into vlog mode here and just give you a really, really good look at this. Wow. Am I blown away right now, guys? Damn. Stella and the bike looking so good. Okay, so we'll put that over there till later. And just, guys, come on, get a quick look at this. Let me just kind of catch my thoughts for a second. Look at how good it matches. This is one of the best days of my life right now. I feel like this is like the best Christmas I've ever had, and it's not even Christmas or anything like that. Dude, my God, it's so good looking. Man, I'm just at a loss for words right now. The quality is so good. Should I roll the bike on it right now? I'm gonna roll the bike on it last, but man, like I said, MPM is one of our new affiliates. So what I love doing is finding products that are great for me, but they're also going to be great for you. So they're going to work with every single one of you guys. Like I said at the beginning, if you hit them up on their website or their Instagram or anything, tell them what bike you have, tell them the design you're going for, maybe look at some of the options they have online and go off one of those. That's what I did with this. This was actually a ZX6 anniversary edition, I believe, or a ZX10 anniversary edition, and they converted it to a Ninja 500 for me. And I believe, if I'm not speaking out of turn, they can correct me if I'm wrong, I believe this is the first custom Ninja 500 MPM mat that they ever created, but I'm not sure. So we'll let them get back to us on that. That would be sick. And now that I think I've kind of shown you guys this enough, and I will put the bike on it at the very, very end, let me just kind of talk about what was going on with the maintenance and everything that I was explaining at the beginning. So all of these products are going to be found in my Amazon storefront, and they're absolutely necessary, not only for the Ninja 500, but for any motorcycle. Maintaining your bike, this is key necessities right here. You can keep your bike so good with these few things. Chain cleaner, chain lube from Motul, as well as a brush. If you don't have any of the three, buy them together as a kit off Amazon. Boom, easy as can be. Or if you have cleaner, lube, whatever, you can buy all three of those as individual products. Back to black, I've talked about before, but it's how I keep all of this black plastic around the seat and everything like that. It gives it a nice shine and keeps the bike looking perfect. So that's part of my maintenance. Man, I can't stop looking at this mat, you guys. Whew. You're going to be seeing so much more of this. So if you're looking for more information or more details on the mat and everything, you're going to be getting that. But I kind of want to give you guys information on the 500 and the maintenance. Again, I used the WD-40. I had to buy a whole big one because I ran out. I used the WD-40 to clean off all of the grease and extra lube and stuff from when you're riding from the chain that gets onto the wheels. Not as much, not really anything gets on the front wheel, but I'll still use WD-40 and clean the front wheel. And again, everything you're cleaning is going to be getting cleaned with these microfiber cloths. Buy a huge roll of them. They're super cheap. It's like 12 or I don't even know. It's just cheap, dude. And you get all these freaking cloths. You can do anything with them. And for example, with this mat, instead of letting all of the, like when I'm spraying the chain and doing my cleaning, a lot of the excess gets onto the ground or your garage. But instead of it just getting on this, yes, this is marketed as a mat that you can use Dawn dish soap or any type of household non-abrasive detergent. You can use that on this to clean off any type of gunk that gets on here, and it'll apparently come right back to new. But as just an owner of a product who likes to keep the longevity as long as possible, I'll just put one of these cloths, right? I'll just put one of these down underneath where the chain is so that it drips onto the cloth at least first before anything gets on this. I'm going to maintain the longevity of this mat as long as possible, because how can you not? It's customized to Down Dan. They did a perfect job, guys. The quality is insane. And I love working with companies that I know are going to be fantastic in the future as well, because the Ninja 500, guys, if you can't tell by everything I'm doing and building this channel and Instagram and just kind of the way I'm going about this, will probably not be my first bike. It's going to be a part of the collection for forever. It has a place in my heart that is unmeasurable. But we are going to get more bikes. We're going to get more motorcycle mats. We're gonna, like, everything that we're putting in place now is just going to get larger and grow with scale, which is fantastic. So being able to offer a discount on a product that's this good and have that in perpetuity, you know, as long as everything goes well, how can you not, like, I'm so happy. Anybody who's still watching to this point, you are amazing. You are the reason why I'm here and still putting out videos every single day and whatnot. I just have so much fun doing it. But the maintenance for the 500, I think I covered the products wise, right? Yeah, we covered the cloths, we covered everything like that. And we also in the last video talked about how often you're doing that, which is going to be every, let me put you guys back here real quick and check some things out, because I'm going to put the bike on the mat right now. Actually, watch me change the angle a little bit, and this is going to be sick. But we talked about how for the 500 specifically, or really any bike, I like to keep the intervals for the chain cleaning to about 600 miles, and honestly, I'll probably push the chain tension and chain slack to like almost every 900 miles or so. But that's just personal preference. And like I said, you're going to be doing oil changes. Going to be doing your first oil change once you buy the brand new bike is going to be after 600 miles for the break-in. But then after that, the manual says Ninja 500, you should be doing it every 7,000, which is crazy. And I will not be doing mine every 7,000. I will be doing mine about every 4,500 to 5,000 just to keep this bike in great condition. But oh my God, this is my first time seeing it on the mat. I hope it's a great view for you guys. I'm going to come check the camera in a second. But just as a customer and a person trying to enjoy my life, I just want to take a second for myself to literally just enjoy what I'm looking at, because this is probably the coolest setup I've ever seen my bike as. And oh wow, yep, the view's pretty good. Look at that, guys. Dang. Right on Stella's little face right there. But I mean, guys, yo, thank you so much, MPM, if you're still listening. You nailed it. The colors, the design, the bottom of this, the grip on here seems really, really nice. I can tell that for sure if anything gets on there, I would be able to clean it. And I literally can't wait. And I hope a bunch of people watching this video right now realize how unique these mats are and goes and buys one for themselves. So real quick before I leave you for the day, because we talked about Ninja 500 maintenance, we talked about the partnership and affiliation with MPM motorcycle mats, and it's going to be a very nice discount. I believe it's 15. Shoot, I'll have to double check. I don't want to speak out of term. I think it's 10%, which is really nice, because these mats, as they should, they go for a little over $100, all depending on like which one you're going to get. So the fully customized one with this size is going to run you like 180, I believe. Or if you get it just standard with just the bike name, I think it costs like 120. So it's totally worth it. If you have a garage, it is well worth it. Like, you can have it out all the time, always see it. It's amazing. But for me, like right now, once I'm done, I'm going to have to put my bike back into a parking spot, put the cover on it, and roll the mat up, put it into the mat. The mat comes with a nice little case, guys. This is actually sick. I wasn't expecting this, but a nice little stretch case. I wouldn't call it a case. A little protective little sleeve, so that I can keep this away from Stella and everything on the inside of my apartment. That's honestly a lifesaver in and of itself. And it comes with the little coasters that you put underneath the kickstand. All in all, this thing's a complete win, and I hope you run out and grab one for your bike today, tomorrow, the next day, or keep it in your mind for the future as something to work towards, a little showpiece for your bike. But for me, honestly, especially once I get a truck, because that's a future goal for myself right now with the channel, is being able to get to the point where I can buy a truck so I can bring the Ninja 500 all over, like, for example, the meet that just happened in Florida, I would have loved to have been there. Would have loved to take the 500, roll it up into the truck, put my motorcycle mat in the car, bring everything down there, and you know, just kind of be my own little setup down there and just meet you guys, because I want to meet as many people as possible. And that will just come with time. Unfortunately, I can't get to that right now, but it's great to have goals, and this is going to come in handy so much. You're going to be seeing a ton of this on Instagram, a ton of it more probably on here, but this is going to be the full-on unwrapping, unveiling, and just my real initial thoughts. I've been waiting to put this video out for so long, and I'm so happy that it's finally here, and I've shown it to you guys. And the trash man is here, so I'm about to say one more thing before I leave you. This Saturday, the 26th, is about to be the most explosive, savage day of my life, especially with all these creators who are going to be here. Like, I have never looked forward to a day with the motorcycle so much than the 26th. It is a private roller shoot with some of the biggest and best San Diego and LA creators. We're all coming together here, and we're going to be shooting all afternoon. It's going to be crazy. I got a private invite, and I've kept it secret until today, actually. But you guys won't see this until Thursday. My Instagram people, I released it yesterday. But hey, I've yapped so much today. We covered maintenance, we covered MPM, and I could talk more about things that are coming, like NBT, but we won't even go there. So I'll just leave it at that. Please subscribe in the middle if you haven't already. We have so much going on right now and so much to come. Subscribing is literally the best thing you could do right now, and please watch one of these videos. I got 2 options for you. Later, guys. Keep your wheels 2 down.